This is a real pivot point for our country. Where our politics take us clearly is unknown, but the Trump era is going down in the history books.
The Distinguished Speaker Series are designed to respond to the issues that this country faces today. Bob Woodward is one of the best reporters ever in America. Starting the series with him will bring the students to benefit from the expertise of somebody who has affected not only the mind of Americans, but also our hearts.
I'm always astounded what I learn from students. They are curious, driven, and tend to be original thinkers. Lots of them are quite willing to challenge me and telling me that I'm full of it, and that's always refreshing.
As a student journalist, it's like meeting the Beatles. Speaking with him at the pre-event was a bit exciting. It's just great to hear from people with such vast experience like Bob Woodward.
You can only learn so much in a classroom. I think for any major in any field, hearing from people who have experienced things firsthand is really important.
It's like meeting a hero. We got to sit down and really bounce ideas off of him and really learn from a hardened veteran.
Don't turn tail and run. In other words, get involved, stay aware.
It is an obligation for a public university to make sure that we talk about these issues, to make sure that our students, not only in communications, political science, and journalism, understand these issues, but all our students understand these issues, to get educated about them, to learn how to become active participants in them, and to learn how to change America for the better.